Yo, this is Joe from Bad News Racing, and today I am happy to present to you our very own Bad News Racing bypass valve for the LUV LUJ 1.4 engine found in the Chevy Sonic and the Gen 1 Cruise. So today I'll be showing you how to install your very own on your own turbo and how to adjust it for your liking. All right, I'll be showing you how to install this bad boy on one of our beautiful GTS 250s. So let's go ahead and pull off the stock bypass valve. So we'll go ahead and take this guy and say, peace. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove the stock bypass, which is this little rubber diaphragm here. And we're gonna drop in this big meaty bastard with a steel piston. So the kit that you purchase off of our website comes with the O-rings. So let's go ahead and pop those on. Fitting on it swivels, which allows for any type of orientation that you prefer. I personally like to put it up towards the top. Makes it look nice, even though you don't really see this because it's be inside the vehicle. So we'll present it. Hold it in place, and we'll put our first screw, which will just kind of hold it where it's at. You don't want to crank them down until you got them all set and going in nice and easy. Which this one, when you do it in the car, you're going to want to go behind. You're going to want to go behind that hose. Boom. Look at that. Now it's time for some serious boost. So, also found on the top of this guy is this screw right here. That's for adjusting your preload. This bypass valve is equipped with a progressive rate spring, which gets stiffer as you tighten it. So the stiffer you go, the harder you hold. Loosen it up a bit. So, you know, you're going to want to, once you get this, kind of dial it in for your vehicle. We have it set at where we think is, you know, it plays the nicest with the vehicle, but obviously every car is different. So you have the ability to, with this one, go ahead and shove a 5mm Allen head in there and either go in or go out, depending on what it is you're looking to do. So thank you very much, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.